Mardhiah, librarian with the National Library Board. Today, I'll be showing you how the Activity Toolkit can make lesson planning easy and how you can ensure a fun and beneficial session for your students. In the toolkit, you'll find thematic lesson plans in English and mother tongue languages. Let me show you how to use this kit to plan a lesson. Let's begin! For this demonstration, we'll be using the theme What's the Weather? By the end of this lesson, children will be able to tell you about the weather and talk about the types of clothes that are suitable for different kinds of weather. Start the lesson with a tuning in activity. This will set students' expectations for the day's lesson. You can start by explaining to the students that they will be learning about the weather today. Take the class outside the center. Have everyone pay close attention to the temperature, wind, sunlight, and clouds. You can also sing songs such as the weather song. It has the same tune as Oh My Darling Clementine. Here's how it goes. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy out today? Now, the class is all warmed up. Next, tell a story from the books included in your toolkit. For this theme, the book provided is A Good Day for Ducks by Jane Whittingham. The rhythmic text introduces children to vocabulary about the weather. You can even add your own tune to the words. Let's read a segment of the story together. A Good Day for Ducks by Jane Whittingham. Rain is falling, rain is pouring, drip drop, down it falls. Getting dressed, raincoats, rain boots, tuck tuck, pull pull, off we go. Pause as you read and point to the illustrations to engage the children with what's happening on the page. Ask them guiding questions such as, why do you think they are wearing raincoats and rain boots? What else do they bring out on a rainy day? By the end of the story, you will have enough talking points to expand the children's understanding of weather. Next, prepare a guided practice or classroom activity of what the children learned from the story. Create a weather chart using mahjong paper or simply draw one on a whiteboard. Discuss the different kinds of weather and draw them onto the weather chart with the children. For example, today we'll be discussing sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, and stormy weather. As a class or in smaller groups, brainstorm the different kinds of clothing they need for different kinds of weather. For example, do they need a jacket for a hot sunny day? Or what kind of shoes would be appropriate for a rainy day? You can also prepare pictures of the clothing items together with vocabulary cards to paste onto the weather chart with blue tag. Lastly, review what was learned together with the class. For kindergarten children, you may encourage the breakout groups to come together and share the weather and clothing choices with the class. End off with a nice class photo to document their learning journey. In your lesson plans, you will also find a section on book recommendations. If the children enjoy the books provided in the toolkit, you can borrow similar titles from our public libraries. For fast activities, you can also photocopy the printables available in our lesson plans. These activities are based on the books provided in the toolkit and are suitable for children in nursery and kindergarten. We hope that the Activity Toolkit will be a useful classroom resource to nurture the love of reading in children. You can drop us an email for any enquiries regarding the Activity Toolkit and other early read services. See you at our libraries!